Hi guys, today I will be talking about the how to start a digital marketing course step by step part 5 search engine optimization. Guys, today I will be talking about the in this topic part 5. In the previous videos, you just remember I have talked about the digital marketing of introduction, fast web hosting, deep market research, and email marketing automations and content marketing automation. Today, in part 5, I will be talking about the search engine optimization. What is the importance in the digital marketing agency to rank your agency website on Google? It is very important. So guys, stick with me till the end. Hello guys, I'm Faro. Welcome to my new channel, Net World. So let's start our topic, search engine optimization. Before I begin in details, first let's understand what is SEO, search engine optimization. Search engine optimization means when someone search on your website, means if I search for example at supertool.com, it's an website, it will show on Google page on first. Means how does it happen? It's happened through a search engine optimization. You have to optimize your website through the search engines. So I hope you understand the idea. When one search for your website, it will show on the first page on Google search engines. In order to ranking on your website, you must be follow the tips and tactics. Means the process used to optimize your website, technical configurations, content, relevance, and link popularity so its pages can become easily findable, more relevant, and popular toward the users. Search queries, it's better to rank on Google. Means popularity. Popularity. What is the meaning of popularity? Means if you are if so many people are searching on your of your website on Google, it will affect on Google search engines in Google algorithm. Means Google optimize your website. So many people are searching your website. Search engines recommend SEO efforts that benefits both users' search experience and page ranking by features content that fulfill users' search needs. This includes the use of relevant keywords in titles, meta descriptions, and headlines. Means H1, H1, H2 means if you are optimize your website on WordPress, you must be follow this H1, H2, heading 1, heading 2, and then the description and the URL and the keywords. These are the four important things to optimize your website. Heading 1 and heading 2 the keywords and the description, meta description. So I hope you understand. Keywords rather than and settings of numbers and markup specify the pages, content, meaning among the other SEO best practices. So guys, if you want to more detail about the SEO search engine optimization, you can check on my playlist. I have made 3 videos on SEO. I have made on SEO on page optimization, search engine optimization, so that you got an idea. As in digital marketing agency, step by step, you must be follow all these steps. So why I have continued this, publish the videos on digital marketing course and agency, because the course is long. So that's why I will continue this. Maybe it will take 4 5 days, but I can't explain in one video. That's why I have made a parts. I have divided in parts in this course. So in my next video, in part 6, I will be talking about the customer support automation. Means if you are giving the service, every business have a customer support. It is very important in any business. So in the next video, I will be talk about the customer support automation. So guys, what do you think about this video? If you like the video, just like it, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and turn the notification for every new update. Till then, see you.